Are you looking for the best power cleaning brushes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best power cleaning brushes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber. Introducing the YKYI Spin Scrubber, the upgraded electric cleaning brush that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. With its powerful motor and adjustable speeds, this cordless scrubber makes cleaning a breeze. The long handle can be adjusted to your desired length, allowing you to easily reach even the most hard-to-reach areas. The voice broadcast and LED display keep you informed of the battery usage and power level at all times. With 8 replaceable brush heads and a range of accessories, this spin scrubber is perfect for cleaning various surfaces in your home, from shower rooms to car surfaces. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to more leisure time with the YKYI Spin Scrubber. What we like: upgraded features, adjustable speeds, long handle with adjustable length. Number 2. Holikme Drill Brush Attachment Set. The Holikme Drill Brush Attachment Set is a versatile cleaning tool that will make your household cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. With 6 different brushes of varying sizes and an extension rod, this set can tackle a wide range of cleaning jobs. The nylon bristles are gentle yet effective, making it safe to use on surfaces such as bathtubs, grout, upholstery, floors, tiles, showers, toilets, and carpets. The extended reach attachment allows you to clean tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas like stove grates, drip pans, crevices, and even your car. By attaching the brushes to a cordless drill or impact driver, you can save time and achieve a deeper clean. Say goodbye to boring cleaning routines and let the Holikme Drill Brush Set be your powerful cleaning partner. Cordless drill not included. What we like: versatile, gentle yet effective, extended reach attachment. Number 3. LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro. The LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro is a cordless power cleaning brush that saves time and effort. It comes with 4 replaceable brush heads and an adjustable extension handle. The internal motor rotates the brush head up to 380 RPM to quickly clean stubborn stains on bathroom floor tiles, shower, bathtub, grout, grooves, and toilet. The battery can last up to 90 minutes after 3.5 hours fast charging. The detachable and retractable metal extension rod allows you to clean any corner of the room very conveniently. What we like: saves time and effort. Comes with 4 replaceable brush heads and an adjustable extension handle. Quickly cleans stubborn stains on various surfaces. Number 4. EYEFEAT Electric Spin Scrubber. The EYEFEAT Spin Scrubber is designed to make cleaning easier for you, especially if bending down is a challenge. It extends to 3 different lengths, allowing you to scrub bathtubs and floors without straining your back or knees. With a powerful rechargeable battery, it offers up to 100 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. The scrubber is IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it in wet areas without worry, and the brush heads are easy to rinse clean. Plus, with 7 interchangeable heads, you can tackle a variety of surfaces and hard-to-reach spots efficiently. What we like: adjustable length for convenience, waterproof for versatile use, long battery life, multiple brush heads included. Number 5. Highyes Electric Spin Scrubber. The Highyes Spin Scrubber is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. With its powerful motor, it spins at up to 300 RPM, effortlessly tackling tough dirt and grime on various surfaces, including tiles and bathtubs. The adjustable handle extends, allowing you to reach high or awkward areas without straining. Plus, it comes with interchangeable brush heads, so you can switch tools depending on the job at hand, ensuring a thorough clean every time. This scrubber is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. What we like: powerful motor for effective cleaning, adjustable handle for comfort, interchangeable brush heads for versatility, lightweight and easy to handle.